Okay, look how basic these plow controls are. So we got the controller. This is just you switch from the headlights on the truck to the plow lights. Then you just have this ignition wire here. All this is in the cab. And then all you do is you hook up your powers, and make sure your solenoid's grounded. Just sitting out on your fender or something. And let's see, power's hooked up here on the plow. And then we got a, let's see if I do this, we got a 13 all right, we got it. Let's see, sorry about this. We got a 13 pin on the truck, 11 pin, or 13 on the plow, 11 on the truck. So you can just see how I couple these like this hole here I drilled out for this pin here, and this hole here, you can see where I drilled the hole for this pin up here, and that'll make the 13 plug into the 11. So I'll plug that in here. See if I can get this plugged in. Just a second. Okay, plugged in. Go to get the control box. Make sure your solenoid's grounded. On something here. And just hold that on here. Grab your plow controls, up, plow lifts, you know, left, right, that's it, down, that's all it takes, simple. And then these here are your, you know, headlight connectors, and what are these are just like your blinkers and stuff. I don't know. Let's see, what is this? Yeah, blinker. If I just touch that on there, these have a headlight adapter, which is on the other truck still. I'll probably just change this 11 pin to a 13 pin and wire the extra 2 pins in with separate wires or something. But that's just how easy it is, you know. It doesn't take anything to hook up a plow, really. I mean, it's already on the truck.